Welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret Moga from Ed County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking traditional breakfast, black coffee and a roasted banana. Let us enjoy and cook together. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me know in your country how do you cook this breakfast in the comment section. Kindly comment, support my channel. Thank you for your continued support. This is green bananas. We peel manually like that. Remember, this is an African man, an African queen. This is boiling black coffee. After boiling, we add sugar. Wow. Remember, we are cooking traditional breakfast, roasted bananas and black coffee for breakfast. Life in the village breakfast, village lifestyle. Salad, roasted bananas. Life in the village is so simple. Welcome. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment to support your girl from Embu, Kenya, Africa. Kindly watch my long videos, watch my short videos so that we can reach 4,000 watch hours. The breakfast is ready. Let us enjoy together. Let us enjoy the breakfast. Kindly try this breakfast in your country, in your village. It is so good.